Hey. Hey, Miss Nikki. Hey, Ollie. How's everybody doing today? It smells so good. Hello, Miss Kayla. It smells so good. Hey, Trey. Thank you, Katie Boy Mama. Thank you, Cole. Hey, Rave. Everybody make sure you repost the live. Do your daily heart me. I feel like I'm glitching already. Thank you, Becky. Hello. Thank you, Miss Lindsay. Thank you, Cole. So, okay. Yeah, I'm currently not. Hey, Marie. There should be a little bell, April. Um, it should be a little bell. I don't know where it's at. Hey, Miss Shirley. Thank you, Nicole. I need everybody to tap on the screen, please. Pretty please. Thank you, Miss Shirley. Anybody know if it would have been 1018 or 103? Hey, Ange. Thank you, Miss Ange. Does anybody know? 103. Thank you, Mama Mel. Please make sure you do your daily heart me's. What you mean, what happened? A whole mess of shit, girl. Thank you, Pause. Hey, Mama Mel. Hey, Julie. Thank you, Miss Ange. Thank you, Willow. Thank you, Marie. Thank you, Masha. Hey, Miss Green Eyes. Thank you, Misty. It was good. Hopefully somebody tells that dodo bird that I am a United Auto Worker. I do have a career. Hey, wifey. Thank you, Cece. How you doing, Miss Placek? Right, Whitney. Right. You've been waiting. Listen, we had to take Joey's truck to the shop again. I'm so tired of that truck. Hey, Kels, but you doing gorgeous. I am sneaky. I hope you are too. Thank you, Bernadette. I was kind of mixed about going live about this today because Joey is much more controlled and rehearsed. Like he can, how do I say this? He can control his emotions better than me. I am not so good at it. Thank you, Dreamweaver. So I thought about just sitting on it for a day. I thought about it. I know. Yeah, he's so much more calm than I am. I get irritated. Thank you, country girl. Thank you, Nikki. That's what I'm going for. Hopefully it's got... Hey, Steph. Thank you, Nancy. The thing... I will just go ahead and say this. Like, I don't feel like we asked for a whole lot. I've always said if you want to talk about Joey and his situation, talk about it. As long as what you are saying is the truth. The things backed up with the court, like what the court says. Talk about whatever you want. As long as it's within what he was charged, convicted of. I've always said that. And that's not what happened. The day that he said that he didn't find it, he proceeded to act like he was being sent sensitive information. Listen, me too, Steph. Me too. Hey, Miss Holly. Hey, Miss Holly. Hey, Jess. Thank you, Stacy. Hey, Mary. Oh, I hate it when I hear myself. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, Little Bear. Thank you, Kim.
What a fucking clown. What a fucking clown. Like, I can't. Also, I found out some interesting news about his attorney. His attorney has been suspended 60 days before for ethical misconduct.
Oh, well, that doesn't surprise
Ethical
me
misfit.
none.
Also, he's not even licensed to practice in Texas. So how does he have all this information that he's taking to court against me? And you hope that I do, because his attorney is gonna, and he's got all this stuff already in subpoenaed and that for a case that he can't even fucking defend.
That's strange. What's his name again?
Andre Taylor.
Andre, that's weird behavior, sir. Not as weird as your, shiny head.
And again, we also have recorded proof.
He said investor isn't his attorney.
It is Andre D. Taylor. It is his attorney.
We could show you the signature on the paper.
I did, dogface. So also we have proof that there is previous fucking,
it's on the paperwork.
There's also previous, not confrontation between me and lawyer investor. However, there is recorded proof that he has already lied on me once, live, publicly.
Thank you, court night. Make sure you guys repost the live and do your daily heart me's if you don't mind. Oh, with the hater blockers, Robin, that's what we needed. The lawyer. Yes, that's who we're talking about. The lawyer that does the paintings. Thank you guys for the heart me's. Thank you.
You better paint that motherfucker some money.
He better paint himself a Birmingham. Thank you, RT. Thank you, wifey. All right. Ooh, Kayla with the gym gun.
So, you cannot, even as attorneys, you cannot just access things that are unavailable to the public and then disclose them to the public or state that you have without there being a case, without there being a reason for you to subpoena it, and without the case being formal in the courts yet, and again, in a jurisdiction that you don't have a fucking license to practice in. Again,
hey, Jennifer.
Like, get the fuck out of here. Like, are you serious?
Thank you, Phoenix. Thank you, Jesse.
Are you fucking serious? I don't give a shit about the association. If he's the attorney, there was no other attorney put on there.
Thank you, Bunny. He should have used that DoorDash attorney thing, huh? Thank you, Jesse. All right, I want to listen to this. Does anybody...
I'll be back.
Okay. Thank you, Sherry. He filed a cease and desist. Missy's saving the live with the galaxies. Let's go. I don't want to fuck it up like I have before.
Damn, I've been waiting.
Just different subsections.
George?
Ooh, thank you for the trash panda. Who did what? Thank you, 3 boys.
The mattresses and shit I need to have done today. Down to just please get that out the front yard.
Man has helped push us forward in a way, and
I don't give a damn about that woman.
Yeah. So I feel like, I'm just gonna be honest, I feel like no matter what, it's gonna be the same shit, different person, whether it be twice a year, 3 times a year. He did file a cease and desist, Chris. I don't feel like this is ever gonna end, if I'm being honest. Maybe. I still doubt it.
That's what that place is for.
You're asking who? My husband filed a cease and desist on all money. Yeah, there'll be another one in the future. I'm sure. Listen, me too, but I doubt it. I love you too, girl.
Yeah, I gotta go to the motherfucking grocery store.
Ooh, Brandy with the soccer halo.
Listen, God works
hey,
in mysterious ways. I'm telling you, I've been praying for a long time for certain things, or just a break, like just a break.
Do you know that's crazy that you are praying on somebody's downfall? Thank you, RT. Praying on somebody's downfall. That's funny. Funny in my opinion. Thank you, Sherry. Thank you. RT, look at y'all going crazy. I'm coming. Praying on somebody's downfall.
Taylor Solano and Associates is not a licensed firm to practice law in Texas.
Ooh.
So.
Praying on somebody's whatever. Girl, you need to pray for sobriety. That's what you need to pray for. Not saying it would work, but I'm just saying. You need to pray for sobriety. For yourself.
I feel like that break is coming.
That ain't coming, bitch. My foot's gonna stay. In some way,
shape, or form.
It's staying.
Like, I've been praying for a fucking break. Just
staying.
Some blue sky. Just something.
I'm the rain cloud, bitch.
You know what I mean? Like,
I sent messages?
Some type of fucking justice in some way, shape, or form.
Or your husband to heal. Thank you, Dana.
Fuck. Boy, I might cry that day. Because I'm the only one.
Girl, you better wish on a shooting star and it still ain't gonna work.
I'm the only one still standing on what the fuck it
Brandy.
is. I am the only one still standing and not sitting in a box because it's easy. Make sure you get that fucking box range.
Now I know you lying. I know I got the recordings. What? Girl, you couldn't stand on Chris's broke toes.
To what somebody wants me to do. I will never shut the fuck up because somebody wants me to shut the fuck up.
Thank you, Dana.
I'm the only one still standing on something. While everybody else.
It ain't sobriety. That's what it ain't.
The fuck out of here.
Would it be sturdy enough to work with mud and dirt?
Thank you, three boys.
You don't got any like garden shovels?
Dodo bird.
Which way did you say, John?
Thank you, Jolene.
I don't even know where we're going. Yes, take the first left over like you're about
Jolene,
to
thank you.
Road, and then take the right. So whenever you go to the dumpster, the truck's facing the park, and then all you have to do is come straight up, take a right, and back.
Hold on.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I don't want to do all that. I mean, but you can because it's easier, and then everybody sees the truck. Like, they...
Listen.
Show them how to do it, Tucker.
No, Tucker's being lazy.
I am not.
They're all being lazy.
Sure, I'm not.
Finish Gutters live now, and then I can go reset. And
hey, Jenny.
52:48. 52:48.
Thank you, Jenny.
He's live now?
We're just trying to take the...
Why is everybody doing this today?
Thank you, Dijon.
Bully me, bro. They cannot bully me, homeboy.
So can somebody tell me, was this before or after? Because I'm not trying to listen to her listen to Gutter right now. It is her damn job, Christine. Thank you, CA. This is after? Then I might not have it. Hey, Melissa. Let me go to this one.
We made it to B motherfucking 1, chat. We did that last night.
That's gooder. Battling with Fabio. Let me see what this is.
Do right from that point forward. Nope.
Yeah, I think Kaufman went down with Fennec, right?
Did Lala do right from that point forward? Nope.
Thank you, Leah.
That's just, I mean, they're moving, but
was
you
good.
want the AI to think that.
Oh my goodness. I might not got it, y'all.
Morgan, everybody. Oh my gosh, let's go. Oh my God.
Everybody in the
I might not got it. Oh wait. I just seen that ugly mug.
So.
My life is so motherfucking good.
Hold on, I seen the ugly mug.
Quick, y'all, hold on. Fuck, they keep trying to get me to.
One hand and sit up.
Everybody in here sitting and hanging out, just tapping. I appreciate
so much,
it. Couldn't do it without you guys.
Oh, 2,000 last.
Okay.
Atta motherfucker is shut the fuck up. Okay.
Probably everyone just not the one she was watching live. What do you mean?
If Atta do one, two,
It actually wasn't. Today I was sweaty because it's hot in there, but
thank you, my love.
she does, Chris.
Thank you so much. Oh,
Denise, I see you, baby.
oh my gosh, everybody, guys.
One in a million.
Oh, boss special start, guys.
I do 2,000.
Guys, go. Everybody,
I don't know,
love you
Morgan.
too, my friend. Love you too. Elizabeth, welcome, buddy.
Oh, I
Thanks so
know.
much, my love.
I know.
Everybody,
He did
guys,
Darface,
who
but
need
I don't think he has any type of charge.
One mother.
No.
Need to show how to.
Welcome, buddy. So much, guys. So much, my
Patience,
love.
y'all. I probably should have done this before I went live, but
No. Shut up, fuck. Lala, go to shut up, fuck up. Love it when you say
ooh,
that.
thank you, Miss Lori.
Thank you so much, Twisted. Lala, go to. Ata, we love you too, happy Sarah. Thank you so much. Bestie, thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Big love, bestie. Gosh.
Don't you do?
It has.
Lord Jesus.
Is this? I think this would be the first time. The one I'm.
Anna, you need
Thank
to
you,
know
Kay.
that's how the game works.
Thank you, Sonia.
No, but do.
Alicia, bye.
Okay, bye.
I swear I love that damn man.
You need to learn me some calisthenics.
Alright, here we go. He does. He makes my whole fucking day. Hamster 2, yes. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, don't worry, I'll get it.
Hey, Lola.
Charity football, celebrity thing.
I'll get it.
Thank you, Miss Lola.
Don't worry.
I will come watch the game,
I would.
like on some VIP shit. I got 50 right.
I would come.
I just wrote your name there, and I spelled it wrong.
I would buy the ticket and everything.
I knew it was just a regular Devontae.
Damn, I gotta reset right quick, y'all. Hold on.
Damn.
Fuck, they keep trying to get me to.
Bam. One hand and shit out the air. Right when you think you about to cook, you like this.
Listen, Gigi, I get up at 4:45, friend.
Latin silverback over the top. Like, give me that. And you gonna catch me. I ain't gonna pick six it. I'm probably get about 4 yards before you catch me. But
Can somebody tell me if this is what I'm looking for? Thank you, bless mama. Is this what I'm looking for? Yeah, he's on the camera, but he's talking about fucking football. Okay. Thanks. Thank you, bless
just
mama.
know that. Okay? You're not out jump. What's your vertical? I ain't gonna lie, I seen this motherfucker dunk a basketball. His vertical's up there. Still, I'm gonna get your ass. Just know that.
Honey, are you in
Just
here?
know that. Okay?
Will you go grab my
Just
drink
know
out of
that.
the truck?
He said, I'm about to get your ass.
Box your ass out. You guys gonna have to wait for the video. I didn't do the MRE. I'm gonna do it when I reset. I got a bunch of shit going on. I was literally doing this charity football event right now. Putting out a note so I can get it to Leonard and them for the organizers, get everybody on the call. It's coming together though. And then we can start using our rich friends like Devontae and Leonard to go get all these sponsors and stuff like this and some announcers. We got some good shit going on so far.
He's talking about Udi. Okay. He's talking about Udi and them. They're going to be like doing a charity football game, like a football with him, Udi. I think Britain's going to be involved. They're going to be able to sell tickets for it. They also, every creator, I think will get like VIP shit. But it's pretty cool what he's getting ready to try to create.
D1 and all his friends went to the NFL and he didn't.
He talked about this after he read the shit.
That's Zach Lewis.
I hope Bubba goes, yeah. There's going to be a bunch of fucking real football players there, too.
Receiver wasn't even looking for the ball yet, okay?
So you're telling me that he's already read it? Y'all are confusing me. Just listen. Okay, goodness gracious.
That says, and that's it. I want y'all to know something. Global Creator Cup, right?
So, because he claimed that his lawyer, who we now know is Lawyer Investor, I'm just going to let you know, I'm making a report to the fucking California bar tomorrow because he's claiming that he's already pulled sensitive documentation that is not available to the public, which he has no legal right to do before a case is even filed. So, Lawyer Investor, if you're listening, you are being reported to the California State Bar tomorrow for unethical practices. And you can thank your friend Anthony Moran.
He looks hot. He's what he looks to me.
California attorneys have no special pre-suit subpoena power over out-of-state Virginia records. Accessing non-public criminal file details without proper access, subpoena post-filing formal request or court order, implicates privacy laws and proper acquisition rules or even UPL issues if overreaching into other jurisdictions. So no UPL issue because you're an active licensed attorney, but yet the other issues, improper acquisition,
do we have proof?
Laws,
we do.
Yeah, I've got it recorded.
So number one, we got the letter that he read live and sent back to us with the signature, with the name on the paper. You search the name, it's Lawyer Investor.
So Miranda's live claim of him doing this, if it is indeed false, which I'm sure is, I'm sure he hasn't pulled anything that's non-public or too sensitive, exaggerated or used to intimidate, because that is what this is.
I know he is.
It can expose the attorney to state bar discipline.
I don't watch him unless he's talking about us.
Also, stating the fact that he never said that I rugged and raped someone was a lie that you put in a formal letter. I didn't say legal letter, I said formal letter back to my attorney, okay? And conduct involving dishonesty, deceit, or reckless misrepresentation is professional misconduct. There's another one. A lawyer shall not threaten to present criminal, administrative, or disciplinary charges to obtain an advantage in a civil suit. Boasting about special access to restricted records implying leverage or surveillance is viewed as an intimidation tactic to discourage you from filing suit. It is especially risky if tied to the letter's threats of fees, sanctions, and malicious prosecution. So, truthfulness in statements. Rule 4.1. In the course of representing a client, a lawyer shall not knowingly make a false statement of material fact or law to a third person, or fail to disclose a material fact when necessary to avoid assisting a client's criminal or fraudulent act. So, you can't lie.
He's talking to Lawyer Investor. Talking about the things that All Money which we're probably going to listen to if we get there.
If the attorney directly or by allowing/affirming the client's public statement misrepresented having obtained non-public records when the response letter only cites public OCIS data, this violates Rule 4.1. Misrepresentation includes incorporating, affirming a client's false statement that the lawyer knows is untrue. So I will be calling tomorrow.
By a barn.
Yeah.
That's Zach Lewis.
Trying to get his money up. Because guess what he don't got? A fucking career.
On Madden's dick.
His career is getting goddamn... It is not. It's a filter, friend. It's a filter.
I'm sponsored by motherfucking draft picks.
Nah, I forgot what I was going to say.
Sponsored by all these motherfuckers so fucking wet.
Getting money off of people is his career.
Oh. But mind you, Devontae, they might gas him up, right? He used to be a quarterback. He used to be lit. That was...
Go get your heartbeats. I don't give a damn.
TikTok money.
I don't care. Always.
Like,
go show some love.
Like, I got a cannon.
He talked shit about my chest.
Tight. It will not be doing to you. You can't cover the whole field at once.
Ooh. So original. So original.
That's what it's for, Katie. It's all for charity. And they gave up.
Win yet. You know what I mean? The team don't function. It smell like gas. That's why. Yeah, Oakland did for sure. Had a motherfucking quarterback since goddamn
Florida, Miss Shelby.
Okay? QB's the leader.
Okay, Britt.
Motherfucking QB. Okay? If your motherfucking
that I don't
QB
know.
goes hard, okay? There's no way. I got one person to worry about on this team.
With their face.
Lenny coming out.
I know he is.
For that little corner post.
So did he talk about this, like what I'm looking for after this? Because I felt like it was, yeah, Bama, they're talking about a charity event. It was after this. Okay.
Be some big bodies. I've seen the 20
I don't got
Nader
much.
who played deep.
What's wrong, Leah?
And guard both. I got some tea. There it is.
There it is.
All right, enough about that.
There it is.
I'm confused. What you talking about,
I
Leah?
got some fucking tea. I appreciate you.
I'm not
dog.
listening
God
to no
bless
damn
you.
charity event.
Y'all give it up for Devontae Harris.
Yeah.
Mr. Never won a Super Bowl MVP.
Before I pop my shit, I'ma wait.
Mr. Wish he would have came to the Raiders. Damn.
You too.
You talking about me? You got the balls to say it. You gonna say you?
On the flip side, my Mendoza jersey.
You gonna say you yet so I can clock your shit?
Another.
You say you yet?
Thank you, Tara.
You say you yet? I'll wait. ncdoc.com. You say me yet? Where you at?
She wasn't. No. Hey, Sarah. When she started gifting all money.
Where you at? Where you at?
I don't give a fuck what you show, Lala. You were in fact charged with child abuse. If I had to take a guess, as I did, so my original charges were distribution, and the one that y'all like to say is child endangerment. But I got the first offender status, and they dropped mine down to possession charges and contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
So her original charge was possession with the intent to sell or distribute.
And that was all. So hers and my charges seem to be the exact same. Hey, bestie. They seem to be the exact same. So, Somebody wore a wire on me. It was the same person. I know exactly who wore the wire on me because I was not a drug dealer. It was me, my ex, and a friend that lived in the same hotel with us. The friend is who was doing the dealings. She had a broken leg. We lived in a hotel. She lived upstairs. She asked me to run blah, blah, blah down to so-and-so because she couldn't get down the stairs. She had just had surgery on her leg. So I did so one of the times. So it was a point of heroin for me and 3 hydrocodone. I've said that a whole bunch of times. So one of the times I ran it downstairs to him. The next time she had to go to a doctor's appointment, I was watching her kid, and same guy came and picked up whichever, I don't remember which one was first. I think it was the 3 hydros, and then the point was the second time. So where I get the contributing charges because I was watching her kid. He was, I'm going to say like maybe 6 months old, 7 months old. That's where that charge comes from. So I sold drugs in front of a kid. I don't know what hers entails, but she did have possession with intent, which is
that was dropped to a simple possession.
That was dropped to possession, which is kind of the same situation as mine. She also had the child abuse, which I don't know if somebody said null prost.
No, it's dismissed, and it was probably due to that exact situation.
I'm not even sure I believe her whole story of ODing in the car, because why did she get possession with intent?
Uh-huh.
I'm not 100%. Yeah.
Also,
so for me, I had restitution, right? So it was a point of heroin and 3 hydrocodones. So it was $20 for the point of heroin, $21 for the 3 hydrocodones. My restitution was $41. She also has restitution. Like, I feel like if she would have OD'd in front of her kid, who was she paying restitution to? I paid restitution to Ashland Police Department because they put $41 out. And they got it back times 3, I'm just saying. Anyway.
Hold on, let me... DWI, drug paraphernalia possession, possession of Schedule 1. Where is child abuse at, babe?
It's on there.
Where you at, Lee?
She's on the offender search, which is the conviction.
There's my whole
that she
name.
got
Where you
time
at, baby?
Or probation. Tell her to go to NC Portal.
Where you at, boo?
Tell her to go to NC Portal and put her own name in.
Where you at?
I've showed it a million times.
And she knows that.
See this date right here? 11/12/2014.
I don't know.
See that date right there?
Morgan, I don't believe her story.
That's the date that I overdosed in the car, and my baby was in the back seat. That's the day that I got charged with possession 1, scheduled 1. I got charged with a bunch of other shit too.
She was charged
child abuse.
Endangerment. They dropped the child endangerment charge and a bunch of others because I pled to this because they knew that they wouldn't win it.
That's not true.
Because my baby was in the back seat asleep and didn't even wake up till way after I got out.
It doesn't matter if the
hospital.
child's awake or not. You dumbass.
So where did I get convicted of child endangerment or child abuse?
Where did I get convicted
Show
of
me.
rape or touching someone? Huh?
I don't have any child charges, baby doll.
You absolutely do have child charges. You don't have child convictions because you probably pled out like most people do, you know?
And got lucky with your multiple violations that they didn't
bring it back. Clock that.
Look it up. There's my Opus number. Where's my Opus
Facts,
number?
Mama 3.
Hey,
Look it up. There's my whole name. There's all the charge dates and everything. Look up that one right there. You're going to find that.
When you look up people on the North
day.
Carolina's website, don't just use the offender locator.
Anything else?
Don't just use that. Go to the
cookies.
North Carolina portal and use the smart search and type their name or
Now
number.
y'all can block that bitch. Now y'all can block that bitch.
Hey, Miss Denise.
Conviction and charged is two totally different things. Why don't you go ask them
story.
same motherfuckers?
True
if
story.
they actually
Hey, Lala, can you show where you're, the things that your friend said that you're backing up and all the things. Can you show a charge or conviction? I'll wait on that one. We can show your child abuse charge. I can't show a conviction, probably because you pled down. Pled out, whatever,
Child endangerment on their record. Ask them if they got that.
I have a child endangerment charge, and I was convicted of contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
Motherfucking talking.
If any of my folks wouldn't mind recording that for me. Protect, please. If he's talking about anything.
Something that you ain't got nothing to know about. You know nothing about, nor am I ashamed. You see the date on that shit? 2014,
Okay.
2016, 2015. They all look about the same, right? All of them
the other
around
one.
The same, every
The other
year,
one. I'm not talking
'cause
about
I was
money.
strung the
I'm not
fuck
talking about
out
money.
in my addiction. Slam strung out. In the depths of hell. In the depths of hell. All of these years. The devil running through my veins.
That was heroin.
But again, a
No,
charge
this is a
and
recording.
conviction are two totally different things.
Both bars were the same date. Same
Yep,
year.
me and Chris have the exact same date, lockups and all the shit.
No, this is a recording.
Hell yeah, that's me right there.
But she's been clean for 10 years.
That's me.
Stop. Oh, hateful ass.
Charged and convicted are two totally different things.
Is he?
Those are my charges. There you go.
And she's had her kid for 10 years. Kids back? Yeah.
Not one.
I bet he did, Amanda. Well, not a dancer.
You thought you ate with that. That is my story. Me ODing in the car with my child is part of my story. Not ashamed of it. Then I busted my ass for the next 3 years to try to get them back. I failed a lot.
Oh my God, this dumb bitch.
I failed a lot in those 3 years. From 2014, 2015, 2016. I failed a lot. I failed so much. God damn, I failed so much. We all have a story, and I'm definitely not ashamed of mine. My kid was a baby. Like, just recently had baby. That's why he didn't wake up till after. They wouldn't have won that charge.
Wouldn't that have been the youngest one? Or no? 2014. Thank you, Megan. Wonder where the two older ones were.
You know, they wouldn't have won it.
I had a good day. He's either 12 or 13. Oh, they were in the store.
But you know what? Today, my kids are so fucking proud of me. Looking into people's past for what? Y'all think I'm ashamed of that shit?
They are saying Joey fixed.
Not at all.
What is fixed?
Shit, my kids are so good today. Like, I'm so proud of my kids. Like, it makes me want to cry. I'm so proud of them. Because they didn't get an easy life.
Public information is not doxing someone. If you can look it up on the intranet, it is not doxing someone. We got all these TikTok lawyers around y'all. So, you recording? RT, are you recording? Hey, February. Okay.
And a lot of that shit is my fault. All of that shit is my fault. But boy, they're doing so motherfucking good today.
He might have a cause of action.
And they are so proud of me and
Shiver me
everybody
fucking
else in
timbers.
this motherfucking household. Seniors now. Fuck yeah, I got 2 seniors now.
I'm not listening to him.
I'm doing, listen. My life is so motherfucking good today.
I so hope, because where some people can't find stuff, and some people can't find evidence, and some people...
You might have found a charge, but you ain't found no conviction.
And all of this stuff.
2 seniors, because one's failing, huh?
When it comes to that guy.
Like I said, you might have found a charge, but you ain't found no conviction.
If he's an attorney, his info is public.
And never will.
You.
How about you ask them same motherfuckers that's talking about
They are
that,
not
huh?
twins. They are
Go
not
ask
twins.
that bitch Missy if she got child endangerment charges and charged.
Nope. See?
Go ask that.
See? You dodo bird. That tells me you don't know how to fucking look at nothing. I bet you ain't even never fucking pulled it up. No, I do not have a conviction of child endangerment. I have a conviction of contributing to the delinquency of a minor. That's what I have. I was charged with child endangerment and pled to contributing to the delinquency of a minor. You dumb bitch.
Joey, if he's on a fucking registry.
He is on that. He is on that.
They gonna show you charged and convicted. The audacity.
Contact solicitation charge. He's never been charged with, indicted for.
Motherfuckers sit with an RSO, think they got the motherfucking audacity. Listen, get the fuck out of here with that shit.
Huh?
What ignorant shit is she saying?
Everything she says is ignorant.
Y'all's
None of them know how to read court
is
papers.
trash.
Nah, bitch. Actually, my word is about the only thing that's been steady in this whole fucking thing.
That's
Like-
why I
like you
still
wanna
am
test how my
carrying
word is?
500 people in my chat.
Tell your
on a
hubby once
daily
he beat
basis.
up. Test how my word is. Threaten my wife again. Do it again. I'll show you what my word is.
Mr. McDaniel's wife has a criminal record that includes one.
Oh, he talking about Joey.
She's never been arrested, charged, or investigated for any offense of a S nature or involving minors. You're branding
okay,
her as a
Nicole.
complete fabrication detached from any factual reality.
They said that lawyer is talking about you.
I don't give a fuck what he's saying about me.
I'm just saying.
That
RT
motherfucker is
recording.
ethically wrong, and
Mr.
I am
McDaniels
filing tomorrow.
repeatedly offered to provide and has in fact publicly posted
Flat out.
clear, incontrovertible documentation. That's not true.
She is
It's
about
not
to have a
true.
heart attack.
No, it's not.
I just want to let you know you just opened up the biggest
I know
can
that's
of worms.
Oh,
Nope,
they're about
you
y'all
did, buddy.
It's a
fucked.
mistake.
It was a mistake.
You're a
Y'all
lawyer
are
that's
so
not
fucked.
licensed in the state of
And I am
Texas
too.
that has to go
Thank you,
through
God.
hoops and barrels to be able to take the case in Texas. That's also your attorney. That and he's also your friend on TikTok. And
So
he
scared.
sat there and heard you say egregious lies and tries to deny them. All of that's ethical misconduct. All of it.
These records have been openly available on his platform.
I am so
Despite
scared.
personally viewing this evidence, which I haven't.
She is gonna have a heart attack.
Thank you for admitting you never viewed anything.
I know that's right.
Lala, what you hollering for? He's fucking sitting here making my case of defamation for me.
Platform, which I haven't. I hope you guys don't do anything to this guy. You have deliberately chosen to.
My chat
ignore the
neither.
truth. Trust me, if I weaponize my platform, you would know it. All right.
He got his paper.
100%.
Joey fucking served him. Here we go.
Motherfuckers are animals. Animals.
Bitch, I'm an animal.
Here we fucking go.
Publishing, which I haven't published at all.
God damn, I was hoping he
Publishing
did that
is
shit.
speaking it on your live to a third party. Genius.
Constitutes clear actual malice and gross negligence. As a high-reach digital creator, your public statements carry significant weight. Of that, you are absolutely fucking
Thank you, Leopard.
100% true.
And watch this.
I have a really big voice.
I can't wait.
And propagate quickly, vastly compounded in the real world harm inflicted upon my client. You mean
he said Joey read his letter to
the same client who sends that minor children
whose letter?
Fucking food, and he's a registered sex offender. That same dude.
You still out here lying. Do you want me to show it one more time, Lala, where it was sent to Corey that was 18, that is not a minor?
Chris actually received it.
And Chris was the one that received it. Still lying. Still lying.
Here's the other question.
He said something like, you have to determine if it's federal court.
Because I'm in California,
What?
I can't practice in a federal court.
It's not federal court, dumbass. I'm filing in El Paso.
Texas.
It's not, no.
He said this is federal court.
That's what he's trying to claim.
Hold on, wait. What case is a federal case? The original case? Is that what he's saying?
So the case, if you want to be...
And there's a diversity in citizenship, meaning in different states, goes federal.
Well, how do you know how much money I'm asking for? Was that in the demand letter? So why are you telling people unfactual shit? You're not licensed in the state of Texas where this civil suit will cost. Where it will start.
On Wednesday, tomorrow, 12 p.m. Pacific, registration opens up. And we have 12, count them, 12 paintings. 12 paintings.
Him claiming it's federal is
He seems
crazy.
to be saying that he isn't his lawyer from what I am getting.
Well, I've got it on the fucking paperwork that he submitted to my attorney.
Supplies, you get a free painting.
On the paperwork
He said
submitted to
nobody's
my
even
attorney.
asked for any money.
You'll get a free painting.
Nobody's even asked for any money. We sent a cease and desist.
I haven't determined yet. Well, my attorney will
No,
determine
no
it.
money has even been discussed.
And look, it's being started in Texas State Court where he cannot practice law.
What a fucking dodo bird.
So that's how I guess indirectly one can say you're buying a painting, but not really. How do we sign up for the art? The registration for the live event will open up.
7,500?
No, 75,000 is what he's saying. If it ends up being that amount, it goes over something federal without a state people, blah, 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 blah. Well, thank you for telling me what threshold to keep it under. So it stays in court, in state court, dumbass.
Teddy Swims? Am I allowed to listen to Teddy? You guys were shocked about Doja Cat. What about Teddy?
This guy.
Okay, I don't want to listen.
Okay.
Incites severe public hostility, compromises their physical safety, threatens their professional livelihood. What
Hey,
professional
crazy
livelihood?
You ain't got
Your
one.
massive TikTok platform.
Ain't nobody ever claimed to have any massive TikTok platform. Now I have lost a few big accounts. A few. I don't consider myself anybody on TikTok. I never have. I'm just a regular person that works a regular job that chooses to go live when I get home from work.
Bro, look. So diversity jurisdiction, what he was just talking about.
I do got got great support.
It says possible to go to federal
Thank you,
court
Storm.
because you live in Virginia and Miranda is Texas. You're citizens of two different states, and your claim damages would have to exceed 75,000. However, even with diversity, a plaintiff can and does often prefer to stay in state court for defamation. So it doesn't automatically flip. Highly unlikely to go federal. Pure defamation is a state law claim, not a federal claim.
We'll be high on, friend. Thank you, Jeanette.
They can try to take it to federal court, But my attorney can keep it in civil, in state.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, there's too much going on. Thank you, Mama 3.
But your wife's?
First, my clients are not required to prove specific special damages in court of law. Injury to their reputations is an established matter of law.
Thank you, Angela.
Be advised that we have fully preserved digital video. So do we.
Yep.
So do we.
Yep, I do too. I got mad motherfucking proof.
Pre-litigation demands to avoid immediate initiation of formal civil litigation, which I do not want to do. Please start your process, sir.
I know this. Yes.
Start your engine.
Bitch, if I could take something other than EBT from her, I'd be going after her too.
I can't wait.
Uploading, commenting on, or otherwise disseminating any statements, videos, posts, or communications regarding Mr. McDaniel and or his wife. This prohibited.
Right, she had so much proof but failed in her own case, huh?
Extends to any direct or indirect references to their identities, occupations. What occupations?
He ain't got none.
Sir, I am a United Auto worker. That's what I am.
And I have a state registered business. Actual business.
My husband owns his own business. But I am a United Auto worker. That's whatever the fuck you said. That's me. Real job.
This fucking dude is over here saying, I don't know them. He seems to like, when they said that...
Did Joey send it to you?
Girl, like, he seemed genuinely confused about Joey getting a cease and desist. He's like, he got a cease and desist. Like, he's confused. The chat is trying to tell him about it. He don't seem to know what the fuck's going on. Did you draw up... here is the ultimate question. Did you draw up a cease and desist for all money?
It's not a cease and desist.
Hold on, stop.
Or a response for all money.
I sent him a cease and desist. What he sent is a response to my cease.
Okay, but what I'm saying is he seems to be confused about the response. Like, he's not acknowledging that it was him, and he's confused, like, I don't know these people.
Well, his name and law firm name are attached and sent to my attorney. Is he claiming to not have sent this?
He's not claiming it. He's deflecting and dodging around it. He says, I don't know them people, and he's got confused looks on his face, but he's not directly answering. Reframe the questions, I guess. Like, this is really interesting watching him skirt around this.
Oh, okay, now he's saying he did mail a letter. He didn't know you as Joey. He knew you as Joseph.
Come on, Samantha.
What?
Out of here.
What? How fucking dumb are you? What is Joseph? Oh my God.
He just said he's not speaking on us. Probably.
Okay, I just wanted to get your attention because this shit's crazy. I'm gonna get down.
Okay.
Oh, shit. He can't speak on it. If he's the supposed attorney. It says, either my specific case, once a dispute is active or litigation is imminent, and a cease and desist letter makes that imminent.
So he said he admitted earlier he sent it and said Joey's an idiot for reading it on live.
I didn't read his on live.
Anthony read it on live.
I didn't read it on live.
And we know that you were listening because you were texting him while he was reading it on live.
The attorney cannot make extrajudicial, which is public statements that they know or should know will be widely disseminated and have a substantial likelihood of material prejudicing the proceeding.
Joey didn't read it first. We didn't. I don't even think.
Never read his response.
Never read the response.
Never.
And we listened to Anthony read it. What a fucking goon. He is a goon. Oh my God.
This includes inflammatory comments about the facts of my 2011 case, the strength of claims, evidence, public or not, my credibility, or predictions of outcomes.
Thank you.
This is California Rule of Professional Conduct 3.6. So if he's talked about anything about me with my case from 2011, if he's done any of that, I want all the fucking recordings.
Yeah, RT's already recording.
The strength of claims, evidence, public or not, my credibility or predictions about outcomes, even pre-filing.
He did it what?
Public discussion of your matter can violate rules against dishonesty. Rule 4.1, harassment and intimidation, Rule 3.10, or general misconduct, Rule 8.4.
He can use whatever tactic they want. Ain't nobody scared of some fucking clown on the internet. Hey, Paula. All right.
His shit burned up. He ain't working right now.
Allegations across.
Bitch, my trailer been fixed. You don't know what the fuck you talking about again.
Mandatory public retraction and apology.
Thank you, Crystal.
Within 10 counts.
Joey, Guideline Queen, the motherfucking bitch that streams me daily, finally sent all money a cease and desist.
I sent it last week, bitch.
Told you we did.
Yeah.
Told you.
I hereby reject your demand.
That's good. Okay. I'm glad.
The retraction must be broadcast in the exact same format on live via the same social media channel and to the same audience as your initial defamatory post. Okay.
Hey, baby.
Duration. The retraction must remain publicly accessible. That don't even make no sense because if you're asking for me to do it live, can't be pinned and put on the page.
Yes, it can.
For 30 calendar days. Written compliance.
So the same way that you have your mods clip and pin clippings of your live, that's how you do it. I'm just saying. Same way. Where you see, I forget what it says across the top of said video, highlights or whatever the fuck it says. That would be how you do it.
Yes, a signed written statement to this office confirming that you have fully complied with the removal of all defamatory content, which there is none. Failure to comply with the demands within 10 days will leave.
It is 2K's Uncle Goddess.
Thank you guys for the follow.
Protect their rights. Bitch, go ahead and protect them. Let me get to my response. Okay, that we sent your lawyer.
Hey, lawyer, I hope you're listening to this. Let me get to my response. You heard this? So when this was going on, the response, we were at work. The jobs that we don't have. We were at work. Then when we got off work, we went and dropped my husband's truck off. Because it has to be worked on. Then I laid down for a little bit, did a little picking up, took my shower. I didn't even go live till after 9:30. But this was at 1:30 this afternoon. And Anthony's about to read the response. Just so you're aware, Dodo Bird.
I don't know how them motherfuckers are protected.
That we have ready. I gotta wrap this up too because we got the series in 20 minutes. The subpoenas that are gonna come to unseal and open up all your stuff. The subpoenas to the police department that are gonna call for the police witness statements, the incident reports, and all the stuff that you have failed to provide this app.
Correct.
Okay? That are now going to be very, very, very public knowledge.
Amen. Let's go. I can't wait.
Okay?
What's fucked up?
The victim has to go through all that shit again, but
my lawyer just texted me and said, "Why you?"
But y'all don't actually give a fuck about
hold on, did you hear that? My lawyer just texted me and said, "Why did you just say that?" Y'all heard that? Thank you. Y'all heard that one? My lawyer just texted me. Why did you tell him that? Well, if you were actually listening, sir, if you were actually listening to us days ago, we know that that's what's going to happen. We know that you what's not public that's in there, it could be gotten. We know that. Said it days ago. Thank you, Ben. But hold on, I'll play it back for the person.
The incident reports and all the stuff that you have failed to provide this app.
Correct.
Okay, that are now going to be very, very, very public knowledge.
Amen. Let's go. I can't wait.
Okay.
Which is fucked up.
The victim has to go through all that shit again, but
my lawyer just texted me and said, "Why you telling them what we gonna do?"
My lawyer just texted me, "Why you telling him what we gonna do?" Sir, you should tell your client to shut the fuck up. That's what you should do. I'm just saying. Because he's out here telling on you, friend. He's out here telling on you.
he's talking about Joey McDaniel, Guidelinequeen's husband.
Now, shut up! Here was our response. Okay.
Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait.
If you guys could see, I'm going to read it off of the thing.
Please read it.
He showed it.
Dear Mr. Whoever the fuck you are, okay? Please be advised that this office represents the interests of me and are in receipt of your correspondence dated May 30th.
Oh, thank you,
you
Melissa.
Assert claims of defamation and demand a public retraction on behalf of your clients, Joseph Wayne McDaniel and his wife. We have thoroughly reviewed your allegations, the video and audio of the live broadcast in question, and your client's publicly available criminal records from the Louisiana Circuit Court in Virginia.
Hey, you know where you fucked up right there?
Your claims
you know
are
where you fucked up
factually
right
inaccurate.
there? The live broadcast insinuating one single solitary live, okay, where there are two very distinct ones where you defame me. One in which you did it to my wife's face. You said her husband was a rapist. The one before that is where you said that I drugged and raped someone, okay? Now, I find it funny that in your response letter you did not respond saying that you have thoroughly reviewed all of the lives.
How did you thoroughly review anything when he's saying he just got it today, number one?
And also, how did you thoroughly review these lives, yet you as his attorney is stating that you have reviewed it and he never said that I drugged and raped someone when I have the recording in his face, image, and voice. And believe me, please hire fucking forensic investigators to see if it's AI, because it's not.
Yeah.
It's recorded, posted, it's available. And you have it too. And you know that. So as his attorney, you are making false statements in your response letter, which is ethically immoral and ethically against your license.
We are L&L. His signed name and his law firm is on the paper that we got back. 100%.
Entirely without merit. My client categorically rejects your demands for a public retraction and apology. Okay?
No.
To correct the factual record regarding the events of the broadcast, your letter falsely alleges that Mr. Miranda publicly and falsely stated that Mr. McDaniel drugged and ordered an individual that is patently untrue during my client's live stream. It was third party.
Again for you.
We can run it one more time for my live. I know you played it earlier, but you can run it one more time.
I hope he's listening. I hope that he is listening.
Listen, he does, Ben. I want to say I listened to a small piece of it earlier while I was at work, and I heard him saying something about somebody being, I can't remember exactly how he said it, but the way that I took that he said of my husband being intelligent. And my husband is intelligent.
So check it out, Mr. Miranda and Mr. Taylor.
All right. Drugging somebody, feeding them alcohol and pills, and then violating them and taking coochie without permission is called R. And there's no paperwork that's going to explain that.
There's no paperwork that says that either.
So that is not, and see, that's just a small clip. If you don't think that I have the entire live, which puts the context together, shows that he's talking about me,
we do.
States that, Damien was sitting in my wife's box, blah, 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 blah. I have all of that. So you just lied.
And that is not reading from a chat either. He's already admitted to saying it because he tried to use the excuse that he was reading from the chat.
You're gonna share the screen with a sex offender. I don't want to hear your side of it.
Let's see.
I don't want to hear. You know what I mean? I can read victim statements just fine.
Here you go.
And the person
that's him claiming
was in that box last night trying to get Damien to help him. We talked to his victim.
Claiming he spoke to the victim.
Out there.
Claiming the paperwork's out there.
We don't need to hear your side of the fucking story.
Yes, Courtney.
All during claiming that I drugged and raped somebody.
You want to take a lie detector test and look stupid? We'll do that. But I'm not sharing the screen with anybody that does that. Especially
I don't know,
when
Sarah.
It's already out there. It's not a thing. It's not something to suspect or get to the bottom of.
Oh, that's him stating that it's already out there, which is his claims of drugging and raping someone. So, Mr. Taylor.
Thank you, Rissa.
Your client's not very bright, and he is fucking incriminating you right along with him.
And she didn't want to get up on the stand and fry his ass. So listen, we could run with that story, right, Christy? But even if, why wouldn't you be charged with it? Never asked to share a screen with him. Thank you. Like I could maybe see what you was saying if there was a charge and no conviction, but there's no charge. Oh.
What?
So you think that she went down there and said that he sent her a text that said, whatever, and she was willing to get on the stand for that, but not someone that raped her? That makes perfect sense.
Get the fuck out of here.
It makes perfect sense. I know it is, but I like to play because they look dumb. Because who in the fuck would even say that? I'll get on a stand and say he sent me a text, but I won't get on a stand and say he raped me. Perfect sense. Yeah. Was those recordings he just played before he filed? Yes, that's what made us file.
Yep. Those were from May 27th. One was in the morning.
And then one was in the afternoon after I got off work.
Lives, which we have both.
Do you need me to play it again, Christy? Sit right there, Christy. Sit right there. Run that back for me one more time. Roll that beautiful bean footage.
Which one?
The rape one. Are you listening?
Drugging somebody, feeding them alcohol and pills, and then violating them, and taking coochie without permission is called R.
Taking coochie without permission is called R. Did you hear that one?
Explain differently. Justifying that.
No justifying. Okay.
You heard that one, friend?
No. I've got multiple clips.
Thank you, Dana.
Check them all out.
Stop playing. All right? Stop playing.
Hold on. Let me find it.
Well, he just proved you wrong, so he knows more than you, clearly.
Oh, here's him saying that the jury found me guilty.
A jury? Yeah, that was another one. Never went in front of a jury.
He took a deal.
Oh.
But I don't think so. They're not really hard on people like they should be. Did he take a deal?
Nope.
Has he ever told y'all if he took a deal or anything like that?
So you can't say that they were general statements when he's literally asking people, has he told you? That's not a general statement.
Christy, you look really foolish,
You
friend.
do look dumb as fuck.
Really foolish.
And look, his attorney coming on and saying that he never factually said these things when it's recorded is ethically wrong.
Correct. And in the state of Virginia, for sure. For sure.
Oh, wait, here we go. Here we go. This is him doing it again to my wife's face on 527.
I'm such a moron. Someone post her husband's account. What's her husband's account's name?
I want you to say everything that you said today live with my husband's name.
Your husband's a rapist. Shut up.
Uh-oh.
He didn't say what, Christy?
How you like that?
He didn't say what?
Yeah, then your nose ring
Joey's a
sucks.
what? My nose ring sucks. Buy me a new one. You about to.
Now, someone post her husband's shit in here. Watch this. Watch this. Keep that same energy in a second.
I still got that
Give me
same
your husband's
energy.
paperwork and the newspaper and all that shit. Watch this.
I still got it.
You gonna get what you asked?
No, you gonna get what you asked for, and so is Lawyer Investor.
Viewers in the live chat who made these accusations, and upon reading these comments, Mr. Miranda actively investigated the claims live on his broadcast.
That's
and
not
after
true.
searching public records, he explicitly
That's not
corrected
true.
the viewers, stating to the audience, "I am
Thank you,
not
Miss
seeing
Lori.
in quotation marks a rape charge here."
And there
Which is
isn't.
because we've sat through the whole.
There has never been a grape charge.
Well, then he shouldn't
Never.
have claimed it. Thank you, Lala, for helping me prove that he fucking defamed me, you dumb bitch.
God, thanks, Lola. Listen, I gotta give you a thanks. Thank you for that.
God.
But we just played 2 recordings of him claiming exactly that. But thank you, Lala. I like it when you say I'm right, girl. Gets me a little wet, friend.
And you can't call him a rapist.
Nobody ever said that.
Okay?
Yes, bitch.
Far from acting with actual.
Sorry, I got so many in the box. Thank you, CA. It does.
Matter of fact, I have timestamps from that live after he said that, claiming that still he was a fucking liar. I went down la with all of the timestamps. He said at 43 minutes he will use his law enforcement contacts to get the paperwork. He's going to dig and you're going to be interested. Won't share the screen. He'll figure it out. Then he begins asking if it was his daughter or stepdaughter. Still making shit the fuck up, you little dumbass cunt bitch motherfucking la. Keep going, bitch. Timestamp 45 minutes, 35 seconds. Talks about the Royal Rumble. So he did all of this for fucking money. You skank ass hussy.
And that's how we was able, attaching the business. I'm just saying.
I got both of them fucking lives, every goddamn word time-stamped and every fucking claim, la. Tell me where you're looking, bitch. And you
She's
can
not.
lick me where I shit.
The back of her
Because you a
eyelids. That's what
nasty
she's
ass
looking.
motherfucking hoe and you're the only reason we're all here. You fucking whore.
Goodness. Christy left the chat. Y'all tap the screen. I'm going to take just a minute. Tap the screen. If you haven't sent a daily heart me, please do. Galaxy saved the live. Missy said I got one.
I could give a shit less. Okay?
Thank you, Missy.
Promo for me. My people know
Thank you,
who I am as a
Kathy.
person.
Thank you, Louie.
You know what I mean?
Thank you, Marine. Thank you, Dana. Ooh, Jen said I got one too. Listen, I've been over it, friend. That's why I wasn't going to go live today. But I'm doing okay. What you doing?
What you doing, girl?
Listening to this crazy shit.
Is this today
Yes.
Yeah.
where he talks about the thingy thing?
Yes. Thank you, Cool
Okay.
Vibes. And then apparently Lawyer said that Joey read the response on live when it was in fact Anthony. Thank you, guys.
It's crazy.
Sherman, go ahead.
I actually respect you for coming in on your
Oh, you're wanting to say it in the box. I don't normally do that. About what? What you want to talk about?
Like the vice girl.
I never seen them before.
But it says we're friends.
Watching me if I piss you off that bad. You know what
Oh, I feel like I remember this guy. Wait a minute. What was his name before?
Oh yeah, you right.
Do
I
you
know who that
remember?
is.
What was his name?
Cool guy. Was it cool guy or something weird like that? Cool dude or
Cool. Yes. Are you
cool
that
something?
guy? No, not Gary. That's a troll.
I could give a shit less. Okay? It's free promo for me. My people know who I am as a person. You know what I mean?
I don't remember what the name was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But we're talking about something serious. He's going to come in and redirect, and I don't want to do that. But I do believe that's who it is. Maybe tomorrow, friend, because it's already 11, and I got to be up at 4:45.
Oh, fucking hell.
Hey, Beth. Maybe tomorrow. Come back tomorrow.
Malice, Mr. Miranda,
or if you're still here, when this is done.
Defend the accuracy of the public record, asserting that he defamed your
So,
client when
did
he
I
accurately
hear
corrected the record
that
in your
lawyer
client's
is his attorney?
Lawyer investor?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep, that's his attorney.
Yes.
Goodness. This shit is crazy. It's insane. I would probably pick somebody different if I was you.
Yeah, I think it's crazy work. This guy out here doing charity work and about to get fucked. You know? Just saying. He got all that money, but he can't even hire an attorney that he's gonna pay. He's getting one doing it for free. We love that for you.
is objectively fucking absurd. My lawyer didn't put fucking in there. I just did that. Okay? Claims regarding child P. Child P. Your letter insists that Mr. McPherson
I don't think so.
involves a non-contact solicitation charge.
It is.
And alleges that any reference to child P
People pay him in lions.
is entirely fabricated.
It is.
We direct your attention to the Virginia Judiciary Online Case Information System for case number CR11000229-00.
We love all money.
Disposition records confirming that on December 19, 2011, Mr. McDaniel did in fact plead guilty to a Class 5 felony for the amended charge of COMPET soliciting. You guys can read that, right?
Solicitation of a minor.
Charge right there.
The other charge
Yes.
that you're trying to claim is a
Yes.
Class
Say the P
4
word on there.
felony.
It does.
Class 4.
Because we subpoenaed his
He
record.
didn't say that I solicited someone, Lala. He said I drugged and raped someone.
Which is exactly what I read.
Nope.
Soliciting under the age of 18 or above the age of 15 for...
She ain't got nothing.
Oof,
Bama.
I'm just saying,
EBT and Section 8. I can't take nothing from her.
And if you guys wonder what we've done, we attached our subpoena in our documents already. We can just file.
Oh,
okay.
He's claiming it's definitely a computer charge.
Karma,
Mr. McDaniel pleaded guilty to a Class 5 felony for the amended charge of...
How do you attach a subpoena when it's not even a court case?
In the case yet. It's not. Remember, cease and desist are legal documents, right?
How do you attach a subpoena to that? What's the court date? When do they got to be at court? Like, what date did it say that they had to show up? Because a subpoena is for them to show up to court, right? You can't do that. We haven't got that far yet. You got to send the cease and desist. You just got it. You know what I mean? Like, what? That's quite confusing.
And don't worry, before it's filed, we will make sure that we have any response to an anti-slap fucking defense to make sure that you can't fucking try to use that.
Thank you, Tammy. We are, Andrea. I'm with you, friend.
OMPETC soliciting _ 18 years for porn accessory before under Virginia Code Section 18.2-374.3. Truth is an absolute defense to defamation, characterizing a public official felony conviction for violating or soliciting a minor under 18 for porn is involving child pornography is a substantially true statement of fact derived directly from your client's official judicial records. See attached. Attached is record. You attempt to sanitize your client's criminal history does not render my client's factually accurate statements defamatory. Allegations regarding Mr. Dan McDaniel's wife. Your letter asserts that Mr. Miranda explicitly branded Mr. McDaniel's wife a PD30. My client vehemently denies making...
So everybody's asking about pictures whatever. So it's the original code section is it's a broad
everything. It's very broad.
Right, it's a very broad code section. Does that, like, if you look it up, you will find 1,800 different, not really 1,800, but there's a bunch of different things under that broad code section.
It's anything that is illegal set forth under 18.2-361.
So where they're getting that from would be the, like, Virginia.
The clerical entry, not the fucking court document.
Right. Do you have a copy of this live without Lala? I do, Sarah. I do.
Oh. Hey, hold on, lawyer. Can you listen real quick? This is after he read what charges I actually had.
Registration 11/14/21.
Let me see.
Has he got out? He did good time.
He said registration 11/14/2021. He did good time. Bitch, I've been out of jail a decade.
I'm reading this right. $1,000 and $1,020.
Let me get some
cost for whatever. Probation time 3 years to begin when he was released.
Correct, Ben.
Don't argue on my chat. That's the quickest way to get kicked out of here. All right?
Don't do that.
Way to get kicked out of here.
Let me see.
Better listen to Daddy Money. He can't, Kay. Reading is not his strong suit. Listen, I will give it to him. He understood the greater than, less than signs. There's been a couple of them that has not understood those. They fucked them all the way up. So I'll give him a little credit where it's due.
All right, hold on.
He knew what a fucking greater than and less than sign was.
Listen, don't spam my chat. You'll learn right away. Just say that's just me to you, and not because I'm trying to fight you because you're spamming my chat.
That's how Danielle got kicked out. It's okay. Lala got her unblocked. Her new bestie. Listen, thank you, Lacey. That shit was funny. The greater than, less than. I don't even remember who it was at this point. So many people have talked shit about this.
And Rat Pal. Fed and Rat Pal.
Was it?
Yeah.
It was.
Oh my God. It's okay, Lacey.
Because he's an illiterate fuck too who can't read proper English.
Right, the list of who. Right, RT.
This charge right here is definitely a computer charge.
All right, hold on.
This charge right here is definitely a computer charge.
Definitely a computer, not communications. He's saying I definitely used a computer, which is not true.
And I have to look up the statute to see if they consider a phone or a computer or.
It could have been a bulletin board, friend.
I'm still looking. Love that AOL is crazy.
I know. Facts.
Just wait for it.
Hey, wifey. I agree, Chris.
What Tyler is that? Tyler make a comment?
Is he?
Chat is riled up, I know. Well, the fucking girl got me riled up. Okay? The girl got me riled up. Tyler, did you just say you can't wait for me to go out in the first round? Is that what you just said? Yes, you.
You see how you can tell a clear difference when he reads a comment and when he doesn't?
I did get it. I did.
All right, here you go. It's about to start.
Now just listen to this lawyer. Somebody run it to him.
Yes, he did.
Fuck him.
I haven't talked about Bella yet. I'm trying not to talk about nobody till after the fucking Rumble, but this girl was streaming me talking shit.
After you had a live in the morning defaming me, by the way.
I didn't just do it for no reason. I know. Thank you for the follow.
At least you admit it, Archie.
So mind you, at this point...
Okay, look, this is real sensitive. I don't even know if I want to cover it right now. And get banned by the algorithm.
So this was, we just listened to him look at everything and read it, and then his
find what he wanted.
The response was, "This is so sensitive, and I don't want to get banned."
And he said, "Okay, this is," while he's looking. So he's trying to portray to his chat that there's something more egregious on my record than there is, and there is not.
And there is not.
So far, the man has a crime against a child.
So far.
Online.
That's
for
it.
sure. 100%. Tier 2 predator. That's not in question.
Okay? You should be a tier 3. You took somebody's life.
But I'm getting a lot of heavy other stuff right now. A lot. And I don't want to risk my account. This is a lot, and it's not good.
There can't be a lot more heavy
without
stuff.
A victim's permission or anything like that.
Okay. Well.
So, lawyer investor. He didn't what? He made a retraction immediately after reading? What? Did your lawyer lie to my lawyer?
Did he even watch it, or did you just
say you did?
Just put in what he told you.
And he said an hour and 27-minute live. This one is an hour and 45 minutes, by the way. So did Anthony send you a clip version to where he removed the part that he told my wife I was a rapist? Is that what Anthony did? Here, let me go back to the beginning and see.
I think they did too.
I don't have time to get into Guidelinequeen. I'm not even going to go there.
Oh, I think that's what Anthony did.
Okay, I didn't even go there. And you could block Sunshine. What you hear and what you know is two different things, Miss Sunshine.
Oh, he claims that he knows it.
Well, remember, Missy, what you just listened to, and I have this on the list. He implied twice that there was more severe things. What he has are those text messages from the victim. He also has, I am what I think has happened. The reason Kidnapped will not show those messages is because that is where they are getting the graped me. He graped me, you bitch, is what she told me after that whole other conversation, right? And then the one we all know about from 24, that's all over Medium Professor's YouTube. They're reading that as their paperwork.
And again, I would love for it to her to be subpoenaed. Listen, her credibility is shit because from what she said to one person to what she said to the next, it is way off different. Like completely opposite sides. Like her credibility is shot.
No, they keep
I'm about
on that grape, and I'm actually, I'm not arguing with you. I'm responding to the chat. He keeps talking. She very much did out of nowhere in the messages with me where I supposedly threatened the victim. When he started saying that I threatened the victim, I knew he talked to her. So there's that. That cancels out any of your arguments because I did not fucking come out here and say shit until I started hearing about the threats to the victim. And RT did it. So where did that come from? That defeats your argument. Goodbye. Anyway, He's getting it from those messages because that's the last thing she said, and I sent those to Joey. I have not shared those out here, but that's why he won't, because that's the paperwork that they're referring to. All of this hype is based on screenshots, because even Mitchell has referenced that he has seen them and her story doesn't track with everything he's seen. And you would have to know the story history, right? And look at it from beginning to end to know that. So he's obviously been, they're obviously out there, but I did not physically threaten that woman. I was very profane and vulgar, and we all know that's a thing. But I told her that her mother would be the one getting in trouble. So how is that a threat?
Thank you, Nancy.
But that's what I think they're doing.
So him taking someone's life, I swore that came from him. I could be wrong. I know he
said he stabbed him in the face like 70 times. I mean,
we allegedly heard that from his mouth. You know what I'm saying?
I haven't ever looked up his charges.
Attempted. Either way. All right, I'm gonna keep listening.
So it's awful funny. Hold on.
If you maintain otherwise,
Let me say this. So the first 17 minutes of this live, which the live is an hour and 45 minutes and 24 seconds long, roughly the first 17 minutes of this live, okay, is where he jumps in, tells you that I'm a rapist to your face, blah, 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 blah. So if you take 45 and minus 17, roughly, that gives you around the 127-ish mark, right? So, lawyer, I think your buddy clipped his live and sent it to you, buddy. I don't think he gave you the whole fucking context, because you, in fact, did state in your response letter that his live was only 1 hour and 27 minutes long, which is a lie.
Oh my fucking God, he did not.
Uh-huh. So that's a lie. No. This live is 1 hour and 45 minutes and 24 seconds. Would you like to see that?
And I downloaded that live.
Would you like to see that?
Yeah. From an app that recorded it. Not me. It's from an app, a streaming app that recorded it. Oh my God.
So the difference in me and him is if I say something wrong, I don't mind to fix it. I thought I listened to the story. Attempted, whatever it is. He poked somebody in the face. And that did come from his mouth. So.
And he also told me he would fix it if he's gonna try, and like they tried to do to Gutter and manufacture a victim.
And listen, I wish that Gutter would do it to him too. I do.
I mean, is All Money anticipating a class action federal lawsuit against him at this point? I mean, if he keeps it up, I can see it going there. Is lawyer wanting to do all that free work for clout? It seems a lot of work. Like, you guys are a lot of work out here for me, and I do this shit for free out of the kindness of my heart, because this is fucking bullshit. I don't want public defender Jen. This is the kind of shit you get. She hangs out with people like Lawyer Investor. But anyway, oh my God. This is a lawyer's worst fucking nightmare. This is like Tara on steroids during her case. You know what I mean? Like, think about what we went through already. Oh my God. Jesus, we're gonna need popcorn.
So
vacation days.
Let's visit this correcting the factual record regarding the events of the broadcast. For one, you're leaving out an entire broadcast from 5:27 in the morning, not just this PM one that you're referencing here, where in fact he did say that I drug, gave alcohol and pills, and raped and took coochie from someone. He in fact did say that. It is on his live. It is recorded. Okay, it was not in response to any comment that he was reading. He did not repeat said comment. He just went on this way longer than the character box comment would even let somebody type in his chat.
Right, you can only type so much in a chat.
So that's number one. And number two, directly avoiding that live. You're avoiding that in your response letter. although that live happened.
He also is avoiding acknowledging in his, like, I am uploading it right now with the screen recording. There are people in his chat after, he says that about this situation, telling him that Anthony, repeatedly in the chat, by the way, is the one that said that. And then he skips all of that and picks out another comment after all those fucking statements. Just glosses over it for show.
Now let's go ahead and directly refute your next letter of fact, saying that my letter falsely alleges that he publicly and falsely stated that I drugged and raped an individual, saying that is patently untrue, and it is not. Lie number one. During my client's live stream, it was third-party viewers who made these accusations. Upon reading these comments, Mr. Miranda actively investigated the claims. That is not true. He made these claims against me in the morning, did no investigation of it, had another live in the evening where he got on and started talking shit about my wife and
hey Joey,
that girl
real
don't
quick,
want me to get, and then turned her on and told her to her face that I was a rapist. Okay,
Joey,
what?
Write this down that you want your lawyer to request from them. You want him to go to the TikTok studio and get the comments from his live that day that prove that or the download that proves that those comments were left. He absolutely can do that, but you want the comments from that live that say that.
For sure.
That match up with the timestamps, so that way you can timestamp for timestamp.
For sure.
Put your money where your mouth is.
I know that's right.
And it says, then, after searching, he clearly states, I'm not seeing an R charge here. Further admonish the chat member pushing the narrative. However, that is also false. He did not admonish anyone. He did not say a specific chat member or call anyone out about a false narrative in the chat. We just listened to it. He went into furtherance of his agenda of claiming that there was more sensitive information coming in. You are a fucking liar. You are ethically and morally wrong, and I am reporting you to the fucking state bar.
He's a fucking internet clown.
Now, where is it at?
Joey's already, showed this man up once already over Doug.
He did, and I was there the day that he dropped Joey out the box because me and Joey was fucking pissed that night too, going off. I think
I remember it vividly. He came in my live and said that we were defaming Doug.
Oh my god. Yep. He flat out put a flat out fucking lie in this response. It states, he's stating that he stated on this live that we're talking about, he further admonished the chat member pushing the narrative, verbally instructing his audience, you cannot call him a rapist if he doesn't have a rape charge. That is, you never fucking said
Which he then, he did not, because he then again called you, shut up, your husband's a rapist.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, fucking sweet Jesus, Mary.
Oh, I'm so taking this and turning it into the bar.
Oh, yeah.
You need to just push this all the fucking way. These people are the biggest goddamn ass clowns, and they are taking so many people's money who put their trust in the fucking word. So you have some bona fide fucking ambulance chaser, dumbass motherfucker lying for all money, honestly. And then trying to intimidate people to shut the fuck up on the app for more clout and money. And the benefit of the mob mentality, and also you have a pattern of creating toxic environments of mobsters and then abandoning ship when you get fucking caught and sunk. And that's what'll happen this time. Your monsters will be running loose, and maybe Mac will be out of jail by then and can scoop them up.
It's crazy. I'm not backing down.
Nope.
I'm not going nowhere.
Especially with these inaccurate and flat out lies.
It's an open and shut argument. Because you guys have no history. You have no history. Nothing.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not.
And his attorney with his lies responding to my attorney. Flat lies.
All right, I'm gonna keep listening.
Produce the exact unedited video or audio clip streaming to my client uttering those words. Conclusion. In sum, Mr. Miranda will not be issuing a retraction or an apology for statements he did not make, nor for statements that he read from a chat and that are demonstrably true.
No, what I believe has happened, this is my speculation, is that he only showed him even if he showed him the second live, he said that he said it to me.
Look, if you rewind, he says that somewhere when he was reading, I swear he said something, an hour and 27 minutes is what he said. If you fast forward past where he says it to you in the beginning of his live to the 17-minute-ish mark, which minusing that from 1 hour and 45 minutes, which the actual live is, that would put it right around the hour and 27-minute mark. So I'm almost willing to bet.
He did say that.
The hour 27?
Yeah, the hour and 27.
So
maybe he didn't send it. Maybe he clipped it. He clipped that part out, but he said it multiple times. Like, do you really think that we would, be fucking for real?
Now, however, that does not
Thank you, Ash.
take the responsibility from Lawyer Investor away here, where he states that after reviewing this, that after searching public records, he explicitly corrected the viewers, stating to his audience, "I am not seeing a great charge here." He further admonished, and he put this in quotation marks, right? So this is a direct quote from what he himself as the attorney supposedly reviewed, and a direct quote is he saying that fucking All Money said. All Money never said that in that live. And then it says he further admonished the chat member, pushing the narrative, firmly instructing his audience that they cannot call him a rapist if he does not have a rape charge. That did not happen the night he looked up my information. That is a fucking lie.
So the only reason, I'm going to be honest about the moving in silence. I get what you're saying, but I feel like that's what he wants.
So by law, I am allowed to correct any and all false lies, allegations, and back them with proof. I've already spoken with my attorney about it. My attorney said I am absolutely in my legal right to defend myself with factual statements and factual proof.
I feel like I watched it with facts. He tried to do the same things with him, and he got laughed out of that court too. Hey, Miss Allison.
And listen, if he wants somebody to fucking battle with for content, Missy is that bitch. I like to do the research. I ain't got the fucking energy. But she'll put up, you fucked up. You fucked up. That was the biggest bear trap your dumbass could have fucking fell in.
Now, mind you,
I would love to know who put him in there.
I'm just going to say, and this is not to intimidate anyone, because I can't intimidate you if I'm taking you to court, okay? There's nothing to intimidate. I'm going to say this with all factual fucking evidence on my side. When I win this suit,
thank you, Allison,
and I prove the lies that Lawyer Investor has stated, and I prove the lies that Anthony Miranda has stated, I will be submitting the outcome of this lawsuit to TikTok's headquarters of their blatant lying and harassment of someone on their platform as well, because that is against guidelines.
I really don't got much left of this, so I'm gonna get it over.
Based on your client's official criminal convictions, again, see attached. We acknowledge your notice regarding the preservation of evidence and confirm that my client has preserved all relevant materials, and I am in possession of the hour-long, 27-minute-long live stream video, including the unedited video.
So 1 hour and 27 minutes when it's clearly 1 hour and 45 minutes.
So you admitted that you edited the video?
Yep.
In the same sentence? Including the unedited video. Nobody edited it. We played it from beginning to fucking end. You are the jackass that clipped it. What? Ooh, I hate this man. He's so dumb.
Ooh. Footage of the broadcast. We expect y'all to do the same. If you unwisely choose to initiate civil litigation based on these misrepresentations, local counsel will vigorously defend Mr. Miranda. Mr. Miranda will be fully prepared to introduce the unedited broadcast footage, demonstrating his refutation of the allegations alongside a certified copy of your client's felony conviction, as well as further subpoenas for police records.
He's a dumb fuck.
Yeah, all money is a dumb fuck.
Oh my God.
In such an event, he will seek all available remedies, including an award of money and attorney's fees and sanctions for malicious prosecution.
Ooh.
And then,
nope, I ain't gonna pay shit. So there's numerous lies within this documentation. One being that the live was an hour and 27 minutes.
And then we got a little something up our sleeve. I ain't gonna lie. We got a little something up our sleeve that you guys will love.
They trying to take? God damn it.
So, since you're clipping it, that's my response. Your attorney has it. I can't wait to see you. Okay.
All right, here.
I'm gonna make sure my attorney charges me a lot. All right.
Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? I have beef with. Whoa.
So did he also?
I don't have beef with all money. I love all money. I got beef with motherfucking Joey McDick.
That his attorney charges.
That is what he said.
An amount. So he's gonna decide how much the attorney charges.
Yeah, that is what he said.
Man, you are a dumb motherfucker.
That is what he said.
Factually.
He did say it was free the other day. I swear he did. Thank you, Kelly.
This guy. I can't. So, I wonder what Mr. Taylor is going to say once he finds out that indeed he has been going off the word of Mr. Miranda, not actually watching the shit himself. Because no attorney would sign their fucking name to something as an attorney that is a factual lie that can be proven as such.
You know, when I talked to Tara's lawyer, that was pretty much the same sentiment. She's like, I had no idea any of that backstory was there, or else I would not, you know what I mean? Like, because she follows Erica, but she didn't know about all the other stuff until Tara come to her, you know. But, yeah, I one would fucking hope so.
Listen, but I don't have a whole lot of faith. I really don't.
I don't have faith in any of them. He gave me bad vibes back then when he did that to Joey and lied about the restriction.
Well, he can get it too.
Yeah.
Because he's a registered sex offender on a tier 2 registry, and they are sending my fucking children food.
Well, at least somebody bought him food, because we know you don't.
Would you? Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you try to take them to court and all the things?
That's not why we got taken to court, you lying.
They were talking about my kids jacking off in a shower, too.
That didn't happen neither.
Nope, that didn't happen either.
All of them sitting in a box together, and I took them bitches to court.
Nope, you took one person to court.
I wasn't over there. I wasn't there. No.
I got the motherfucking screen recordings. Maybe we should take a little stroll down memory lane.
Maybe we should
run it.
I think we need to.
So today they're children, but every other time they're brought up, they're grown. You know?
Absolutely. I sent all of them food. All of them. All of them. Even my minor children. Which I'm sure
an accomplished athlete, right? Well, I did have a good time watching Chico Beans.
Yeah, I got beef.
It is.
Yeah, fuck them people.
You goddamn right, I got beef.
Somebody fed your kids besides you. I guess that's a problem.
Handle your business, then, girl. Pop shit. Handle it.
All right.
I got it.
His wife is the one that doxed me.
Lala, Jesse said shut the fuck up.
I look forward to
getting you and No Money and Lawyer Investor should have a team meeting and learn what doxing is. I don't know. Y'all should have a team meeting, and maybe Mr. Clean well, I don't know, because they were saying that he said that we doxed him too. I don't know if he said that. but they were, I don't know. I did hear that he was trying to sue somebody because they outed his name.
So check it out.
Oh, Dodo Bird lawyer.
You know what happens? Because he said that your case is going to be opened up and all the non-public information is going to be out there, blah, 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 blah.
It was Vume.
So the ethical consequences for the attorney is staple or discipline. So under California rules, Rule 1.6, confidentiality if any protective info is involved. Rule 3.6, trial publicity. Rule 4.1, truthfulness. Rule 8.4, misconduct. Or Rule 3.10, threats. Unauthorized disclosure of non-public records can lead to investigation, reprimand, suspicion, and possibly disbarment. You want to go that route?
You can't dox what's public. I agree.
Improper disclosure of protected minor victim info can trigger court enforcement, civil penalties, or complaints to the clerk and judge. While not always criminal, it can also lead to restricted future access and contempt. It can lead to criminal charges if it involves repeated harassment, extortion, or specific privacy concerns. Litigation posturing rarely rises to this level, however, can. Other platforms may remove content, suspend accounts for doxing, and privacy violations. So again, I am all for us.
Okay, so here's another thing. That letter said he'll, like, in the response, he referenced all money being referenced by local counsel. So why wouldn't you just have local counsel do it in the first place? You didn't subpoena shit.
Because he tried to fucking intimidate me to drop the suit. That's what this response is.
This is ridiculous.
The only thing intimidating is his fucking bald head and big belly.
You realize this is going to be on my living room wall, timestamp by timestamp again.
God dog it. Not the whiteboard.
I'm fucking pissed.
Okay, and now you have my lawyer's address, so you can send it directly to him.
Who is Alyssa Vanover?
Emails I don't even fucking use anymore.
What'd you say?
Who is Alyssa Vanover?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
Stop requesting my fucking husband's Venmo for goddamn money.
Oh
what?
My God. What?
Yeah, check the chat.
How would they have gotten that?
It's got to be somebody from on here.
Yeah, you can look him up by name. He needs to private all of his shit so you can't search him like that. Fucking weirdos.
Turn that shit off where they can't request money.
Friends only. I think you can do like contacts
I'm not a
only or something
goddamn
like
bank
that.
account.
The fuck, man? Your dad's like sick. How dare anybody ask you guys for anything right now, period?
My husband said, who is this? I said, it's got to be somebody from TikTok. They're the only people that have the Venmo.
Thank you, Sherry.
But ask me for gas money? I'm not a fucking bank account, bro.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Marie takes out loans, so she's... Don't bother Marie either, please.
Dummy. All right? I want you to keep the same fucking tough-ass energy you had.
Got it.
I'm going to open every fucking facet of your case.
Let's get it. Let's get it, friend.
Please.
I'm going to put every single person that was involved in your case.
We've been waiting on it.
Everybody on a fucking stand.
We've been waiting on it.
Everybody to see.
I've been
Hold
waiting.
on. Pause it. So you're going to put the victim's mother on the stand, right, Sonny? We're going to put her on the stand to answer some questions about what she did with Joey when he was 15? That's what we're going to do? Yes.
Listen, I'm all about it. Let's put him on the stand.
I'm here for it, dude.
I am too. Because, again, there's certain things that could happen where Joey could have his conviction overturned. And
so then those wouldn't be threats in my text messages either, would it? Nope. It's a follow-up.
I am definitely here for it.
Yep. Me too. Sorry.
So, and when I find out some of these viewers in your chat that were in there while you were doing it, and I subpoena them as well, and they're under oath.
Me too, Melissa. I am definitely here for it.
And then when we play the recording with the comments from their accounts, they can't lie under oath and say that you didn't say it when you did.
Missy's going to be the god of the TikTok games.
And Carrie. Carrie loves me.
I tried
carrying an Olympic
I'm
fucking
not
torch
this
with
fucking
this one.
dumbass that you're used to dealing with. I'm not. You think I would sit here and fucking fight against you and prove myself over and over again if I had something to fucking hide?
Clock that. Thank you, Kat.
And I'm sure I have plenty of witnesses in this chat that saw and witnessed what you did that would be more than welcome. Or more
what
than
I
willing.
love is when you calmly sit here and say this and they're like, he's so bothered. And you're like, what? You're like,
the fact that he stayed.
Listen, the only one that I'm seeing bothered so far is fucking Lala. Screaming and hooping and hollering and
he's
praying to the gods.
Well, stop and think about it. She talks big shit, right? Let's use those messages, for example. The messages that she claimed to have but didn't, right? Look at all the shit that fell out from that. She's going to do the same type of thing over there until she gets called to the carpet and she can't produce what for the same reason, right? For the same fucking reason. Those messages are a perfect example.
All right. I really only got like 12
If you can't conveniently, I seen some Discord pictures from Damien's Discord and stuff. I know they'll be interested since you have this version of the events that happen and you can't prove or disprove.
There's no discovery.
Don't worry. Me and you.
Did you tell him that?
Okay, we're gonna help him out.
There's never been a discovery. He won't bring it out.
There isn't one, dumbass.
On that paperwork I'm pretty sure it's in Damien's Discord. There is no discovery.
She is so convinced that you're hiding a discovery and it's sealed. Like,
no, it's not even that the lawyer never fucking filed for one.
There was never a motion for discovery filed.
There was never a motion for discovery filed.
Oh my god, dude. And that's not uncommon, actually, from what I've seen and read, especially in small towns. A lot of times they have this open policy bullshit.
And this is what I got into a fight with Fax over. I was trying to explain this and he wanted to argue. And what the hell does that say? Friends? On the rankings. Does that say friend? Like,
yeah, they got yeah. It's like a new spot.
I just thought I was seeing shit. But that's what I fought with him over. I just wanted him to talk to you guys because you are better at explaining your stuff and you prefer to do that. And he wanted to argue with me and try to make me look stupid. And I think a few of our people were there that night. And that's when he wound up with a clown filter on because he pissed me the fuck off.
I didn't even know that happened.
Yeah, I was trying to defend your situation. And he was like, there has to be a discovery. He was one of them little fuckers. So he pissed me off and wouldn't listen. So he wore a clown filter. Sorry.
Dude, he is getting fucking lawyer investor and wrapped up in some shit that he has no clue he's fucking wrapped up in. That's pretty fucking sad because you could tell by what he's written in here, the live broadcast, as if it was just one.
Yeah, that's right, because there's two.
But then lawyer investor to put these things down as factual in his response and quotation marks of what supposedly Anthony said that he didn't say is his own goddamn fault.
No, I didn't see your message.
Yeah, if his lawyer is answering him on live, but yet he's claiming he wasn't aware, that's, oh my God. A nightmare.
Misplaced the witness statements since you misplaced, and before you start saying, it's because it was in 2011 and Virginia doesn't have any of the records and stuff like that digitized.
They were digitized. You're a liar.
Actually, you're wrong about that either. You can look it up.
We already know where they're at.
At their house, off-site.
Subpoenas are going to go out.
Yes!
We're going to really talk about it.
I'm so loving how fucking
this is right now, Danielle.
But as far as like a no contact,
it's going to end him.
charge.
Is that when Medusa started getting her shit, her little knickers in?
Not what you're talking about.
Okay, just me.
Yeah, just think he pled guilty to that. So
this is the charge.
What'd you say?
What?
What'd you say, RT? I'm sorry.
Is this when Medusa come in and started getting her little knickers in a bunch today?
Oh, I think so, yeah. I think so. She is way excited. So then, so what I don't understand is I feel like Virginia's court websites are very easy to navigate.
Mm-hmm.
So Chris wants to talk about the original charge. Sir, it's on there. It's the same subsection.
You want to talk about
the original charge and the amended charge is the same subsection. It's on the court website. The convicted, it's the same code section. The convicted is subsection E.
Yep. Now.
So it went from the whole subsection to one part of the subsection, or the whole code section to the one part.
With that being said, didn't Lala just scream at the beginning of this live how charges and convictions are different?
Correct, she did.
So, Lala, are you stating you actually did abuse your children as the charge states? That's a question, not a statement, by the way.
Facts.
That you were fucking charged with.
What you?
Yeah, my kids are good.
Stand on it, Chris. Stand, you can't.
That you were charged with.
Thank you, Danny.
You know what I wasn't charged with, Anthony? Drugging or raping anyone, Anthony.
That is the charge that you were charged with, sir. So, I did not defame you. I just read your charge.
You did. You did, Anthony.
And then you added
so much until after you defamed me, you dumbass.
Now, whatever that charge was for and falls under, or whatever egregious act you did to get that charge that police felt like they could charge you and convict you of, that you voluntarily pled guilty to.
So, Anthony, the morning of
what you mean, Kendra? They talking about Joey McDaniel, Guidelinequeen's registered tier 2 offender husband.
All right,
and we're talking about your drug addict, addicted ass over there with your broke leg, man that ain't even supposed to be in your house.
Tier 2 is the least one.
That's how you fuck around
and find out.
Let's
go.
You just did, dog.
Ready.
Thank you, God. For you to just come on here.
Thank you, God. I've been praying and I have been praying.
As educated as you are, as ready you are with your responses and your excuses.
I know, Danny. He got his cease and desist.
I've been praying, boy.
So to deceive,
thank you, Kelly.
Especially,
Lala, I think your prayers might not have been answered by the God you think they was.
It's crazy.
Because, bitch, I'm not going nowhere.
Okay? When you have to register, you definitely don't lose your paperwork.
Hey, Anthony.
Every single one of us is fucking going anywhere.
Remember the fact that you read my initial
Somebody's finally listening, bro.
All right?
So what? You know, dumbasses?
Me and you.
Now a judge is going to listen,
all right? Don't get soft now.
Look, ain't nothing soft but your little dick.
I'm subpoenaing everybody. DAs, police reports, arresting officers.
Yep.
I have a whole list.
I'm subpoenaing your attorney.
Like
hey,
13 people that were involved.
Hey, I'm going to
and if you
subpoena.
need any character witnesses, I got you, and I got all the goddamn proof.
What proof you got, Lala?
A character witness in a defamation
to a crime that she wasn't present for.
Look at she's dumb. Oh my god.
Yep.
Hey,
that's your story.
They don't care about yours and my beef, Lala.
Yep.
You guys
no, not at all.
Boy. You guys stick to it.
Boy, when I tell you I'm about to go to my goddamn archive, baby.
At least she stopped saying archive.
He is so dumb. He saw dollar signs, baby.
No.
He saw dollar signs. What a fucking idiot.
You're wrong.
The whole app is gonna know you.
It's more about the point for me.
And if lawyer investor wants to stand and say that he's not going to represent him in the actual case, that he just filed the response for him to send back to me. Well, lawyer investor, I'm going to subpoena you to stand under oath and state that these facts that you put in this response are indeed factual, under oath, that you watched and fucking viewed that entire live, okay? The entire live, yourself, not someone else, and that the quotes that you put in there, because you are the one that put them in there in quotation marks, that he said those things that he did not say, then what happens then when you're under oath, lawyer investor, Andre Taylor, when you have to under oath say that your friend is, that you lied, right? That you lied in the response, that you lied and stated that you reviewed the entire live, and that he never called me a rapist when he did within the first 17 minutes. Within the first 17 minutes. And then you're stating that he admonished the person in the chat in that live for pushing the narrative, and he never did. I have that live right here if you would like to read that or listen to it.
I got a link on my spreadsheet. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Sure do.
You lied.
Me, TK. Me,
in your
TK.
responses. So, now that is ethically wrong of you to do. It is an ethical violation for you to lie.
Go paint another picture. Lawyer in ain't your strong suit.
And ask Anthony why he stated the 1 hour and 27 minute long live, which is convenient considering in that live when he called me a rapist was within the first 17 minutes, right? And the whole live was 1 hour and 45 minutes long.
Makes sense.
I don't believe in coincidences, guy.
Yeah, me neither.
Or the fact that you're threatening, which I really don't care, to be honest with you. But your client is threatening to put out non-public information to the public, correct? He said that in his live. You are not correcting that, not telling him that he can't do that when it is, in fact, against the law. Okay? You're responsible for that too. Also stating that you have already received information that you do not have access to. He said that as well. So that is an overreach and abuse of your fucking power as an attorney. You don't have a case that fucking makes it to where you can legally request anything that is not of public view. However, I am not afraid of it. If you have it, show it.
Wow, yeah, I'm with you. Run it.
This is not going to go the way that y'all think it is. You're not going to fucking intimidate or bully me into dropping this. You're not going to. I have asked for a public retraction. I have asked you to state that you were fucking wrong, but your pride and ego is way too fucking big. Let's just hope that your fucking pockets are just as big.
Clock that.
Like, it's fucking crazy.
What's he drive? Is his car in his name? I mean, what you gonna be driving?
And I can't fucking maliciously prosecute or maliciously sue you for something that you did on your own accord. I had no dealings with Anthony Miranda, not whatsoever, not one single thing between me and him, except for throwing gifts against him years ago.
Kidnapped by the feds' obsession with you and Matt fucking Powell. Not their Chomo and RSO screaming asses are the reason, running to all money, why you are even involved.
He did try to say that, but that's a lie. Tick Leap proves that that's a lie.
What?
That he only makes $2,800 a month and he's broke and he doesn't own his house. Listen, his house is very public.
That he just refinanced on live, somebody told me, that you don't own. I mean,
I heard that. Listen, I heard that too. I don't know if it's true, but I did hear that about him refinancing his house.
Well,
after this whole fiasco, but
under the fucking Yeah, don't fuck with anything that your name's on now, buddy, because that can be considered fraud. You better leave it alone.
Yeah, it'll be transferring assets.
You better leave it alone. The fact that you removed yourself for rewatch after you found out I was sending an actual cease and desist is suspected enough.
I wonder if he can figure out how to remove his shit from other countries' apps. Like, because they don't have the same laws that we do. He should figure out what country I'm getting his from.
Oh. All right, let's see. I didn't hear somebody was saying what he said about me. I didn't even hear it.
This fucking chat.
Still didn't.
The whole app is gonna know. You're gonna look so guilty.
Oh, I'm coming.
So guilty.
Oh, I'm going to my archive.
So guilty. All right.
Hard drive.
There's plenty of stories, Ashley. There's been so many different stories.
Not by me, bitch.
Lala, they don't care about your story.
Nope.
They don't care. What in the fuck makes this dumb bitch think that mine and her beef or anything that I've said to her or what she has said to me is correlated with what Anthony said about my husband? How is that correlated at all? She's a fucking idiot.
It's always about her. Girls, she sat up here today. Hi, I'm Lala, and I'm the main character. I'm like, that's not a flex, Lala. You and ChatGPT need to have a personal conversation about that statement. Like, oh my God. She's out here literally like playing Clueless. Like she is literally the girl in fucking Clueless.
I just want you to know. I
don't want to let you know where I get them from, but I even got your Today Live, so removing yourself don't fucking help, bitch.
Yep. He's a fucking rookie. This is what happens when you make everybody else do the grunt work. The grunts become the fucking top dogs, motherfucker, and we eat you alive.
God damn it.
Do your own fucking work.
Myself will never fucking apologize to a registered sex offender, ever. Okay? Something is not adding up. And I'm glad that you took these steps.
Thank you, God. Thank you,
God.
Thank you, God.
All right?
I know it might not be the way that I asked for it, but Jesus, thank you.
You know what I mean? But now,
thank you.
Now I'm curious after looking at some of the stuff I got sent this morning from my lawyer. We pulled some stuff.
There's that admission of him abusing his power.
I ain't gonna lie, listen,
There's that admission.
I already got it. I seen it, I already got it.
Play this song, put 5,000 people in the room, and fucking
please, I'm gonna cry. God damn, I've been asking for it.
So why not do it now to deny your whole defamation suit?
Okay.
Why not prove me to be a liar so I can't even get it in the court? All money.
It's like, you guys know how I am with
God has been listening, boy.
you guys know.
Holy shit, finally.
I doubt he's listening to a fucking Xanax head from fucking North Carolina.
I feel so fucking disrespected.
Good.
I mean,
good.
Like, what the
good.
Fuck?
We love that for you.
Somebody shit in your mouth too.
No, we're not talking about the gutter guy. And I got 5 minutes to stop talking before we got to get to our series.
There it is. Here comes the money.
Listen, okay, pause. Time out, clear your brain. If you were here for the drama, you can leave. I appreciate you before you leave. Drop a little heartbeat. We're 400 away from getting back to 4K. We lost them all when we had our little 2-week restriction. So, can you guys drop a heartbeat? All right?
I see somebody asking about voodoo in the chat.
Queen, God's been listening, baby. God has been listening. He did not give it to me the way that I asked for it. But God is listening to me.
Pause that. Is Tara in the chat?
What is it that has happened?
Hold on.
Lala,
that is
good for you.
Joey.
Anthony.
Do you realize who she's talking to?
I can't hear you.
Do you realize who she's talking to? Queen. That is the one that was sitting with me and Tara and Lala, like box rotting with us at during the HB and Tish shit. She is a huge, yes, Jill. She was in my inbox about this, just out of the clear blue, motherfucking sky. Trying to, like, she was on the back end working and getting information and reassuring me that they were trying to take care of Lala. She didn't want me calling out All Money. And I said, you better fucking start talking before I throw your name into this. And she's like, what are you talking about? And that's when I put it into All Money's inbox. Because she's over there in the Discord, and she's always been that way. She was one of the first people with Dirty and Lala in a group chat with me when I first come out here. She is not to be fucking trusted. Not to be trusted as far as you can throw that broad.
Yeah, sure. I don't. Never.
Because she was all about taking Lala down, and now she's over there kissing Lala's ass and she's talking to her. What? My inbox.
Don't surprise me. No, that's how it happens, though.
Yep.
So hey, All Money, Anthony.
Somebody said, listen to your lawyer when he says stop talking. They pin in the comment. You see it? See it?
Bro, that's funny as fuck, dude.
Good night, Miss Lori.
Look, check it out, right, though? So you stated in your live that it was an hour and 27-minute live.
Thank you, Lori.
Your first live that day was an hour and 23 minutes. Your second live was an hour and 45. So that even more goes to show that...
But he said he called you that in both lives.
And he did.
So I don't understand where they came to that conclusion if it wasn't said.
Or to the conclusion that he admonished someone in the chat. He did not. He said it was too sensitive after he found out he was wrong and pretended like he had more information coming in, and then said he didn't want to get banned before the Royal Rumble. That was his excuse.
I want to hear all about what Lala's praying for.
That bitch needs to pray that the damn feds don't come down on her.
She needs to pray for some goddamn sobriety.
Need any character witnesses? Come on, for who this motherfucker really is? Registered offender while sending my children food? I don't even think he's allowed to do that shit. Finally.
What a dumb bitch.
Thank you, God.
What a dumb
little
bitch.
gift series, and we do not lose to this motherfucker.
He works in mysterious ways, because I definitely didn't think it was coming like that.
I was gonna be strategic and give Kirko a strike, because we get to give somebody a strike. What's up, Eddie's chat? But
because he's tier 2, Megan. Because he's tier 2.
And
Tier
Lala,
2
what does that mean?
is like there's no tier 2 with the stipulations and shit. It's not what you think. Y'all would be surprised. Tier 2 is like the lowest of the low, but it's because they couldn't.
Again,
prove
you're wrong.
Oh my God.
Yes.
You're wrong.
So there's 1,
2, and 3.
2, and 3.
Let's put this into perspective. Voodoo was a 3, which is lifetime. I'm a 2, which is not lifetime. And a 1 is less time than a 2. It is not against the law for a registered sex offender to order DoorDash for anyone. Food to an adult child, address, and
whose mother isn't
could even
feeding
put a
them.
note that it is intended for the children.
That was funny.
He sent my children food, and then out of his own mouth said I sent it to all of them, including my minors.
Call the police.
The adult child was on the fucking receipt.
Yeah, the adult. Yep.
We hoped that he would share it with all the rest of them.
Serve him papers today for talking about it. Oh, he fucked his stuff on the way.
All money is about to drag this thing.
Hurry up.
All right, hold on.
He ain't dragging nothing but his fucking bottom lip.
drop the little heart me. Can I change him? Because y'all got him out here looking like a bad bitch in Hawaii. Look.
I don't know. Listen, I don't know why she thinks anybody's scared of him.
Joseph McDaniel.
Laura McMillion.
You know what?
That's crazy that you guys get to control how our emote looks. That's fucking nuts.
I'll show you.
That's nuts.
Look, she's about to prove him wrong again. She's about to
one of
the
my
paper
dogs
that I
in here,
put out.
one of my men in here. turn it into a gangsta-ass,
Oh, okay.
Alright?
She's about to.
Drop your heartbeats. Tap and share the screen.
Alright, hold on.
I am excited.
Always. Me too, friend.
I am. I ain't gonna lie. I'm like a little kid at Christmas.
Oh, hold on.
Use of electronic device being 18 years of age or older for purposes of soliciting a minor.
Monica,
now,
boy, mama.
That rape?
Hold on. Is this the one where she doxed your social?
No, actually she didn't. It was the case number. Someone thought it was my social, but it wasn't.
Okay.
Joni, Tasha with the tear up, Jim Miller, Lil Lit, Karen. Is it Karen or Karan? Joni, Johnny, Hippie Sarah, Bella Vita.
Man, Hippie Sarah just been making bad decisions all the way.
Who needs to be undone?
Oh, thank you, Miss Allie.
Pay attention. What's she about to pull up?
She already showed it. It was the one with your name highlighted. Your paper that you put out.
Okay. Did you see on there where she wouldn't read the fellatio part?
I did.
Yeah, but she showed it, right?
Yeah, she did show it.
So that's my conviction, not for porn.
How's your fucking day? How's your day?
Not for porn, not for nothing else.
I know, I see you guys. Don't worry.
My point to all those people, Lala.
What the hell you get blocked for? Damn, unblocked.
It's the last one I'm gonna show you.
She probably couldn't pronounce it. You're probably right. Oh, that one still says you're in custody.
Oh my God. So.
That looks like the Virginia judiciary. What? It does. It says custody. It says defendant status custody. Oh my.
So hence why you should actually go find the document.
Rocket Girl's not blocked.
Thank you, Janet.
I don't think I blocked Rocket Girl. I just seen one of her.
Now we'll just wait for all money.
Wait for him to do what?
But who the hell put in there seasons of
so this isn't him doing something to us. This is us doing something to him. Like what?
So what are you waiting on?
What are you waiting on? He's been talking about it on fucking live. So what is it that I don't understand what it is that she's waiting on?
I guess the whole internet to know, for Joey to announce it to the entire internet because he's not running around with a plaque. I guess. Because that's the only thing that makes sense in her head.
Yeah, Joey's the one that's in control here.
I got that motherfucker on live, lying, contradicting himself, peddling himself. I've got him lying to his attorney while he's on live when there's proof otherwise. I have his attorney then lying in a response letter to my attorney. Like, who the fuck is in control of this? I have him trying to threaten and intimidate me with bringing out my case details to the
bribes, all the
bribing
things.
me, trying to bribe me with $10,000 at a lie detector pre-litigation, threatening me that he's going to go 0 to 100.
Oh, I know, Joey.
Threatening to take my account, threatening to take Melissa's account. What in the fuck do you think that I am afraid of? Definitely not a motherfucker that's scrambling all over himself to fucking intimidate somebody and threaten them because he knows he's wrong. Definitely not a motherfucker that's lying to his supposed attorney. And definitely not a motherfucker that's using a TikTok attorney from fucking California that has shown previous bias against me and dropping me from a box and lying on me. Definitely not.
Definitely not.
Man, babysat, you've been busy fucking up your friends' lives with this bullshit. You should stop doing that.
Now we'll just wait. But that's who he's talking about.
Can we stop with the fucking usernames that require fucking 30 seconds of fucking typing? Can you just call your fucking self fucking something different?
And that so excited her teeth are about to come out.
With the original.
I noticed that today.
I'll send it to you, Mama Jen.
Your original.
Keep smiling, you always can lose any kind of muscle control to hold them.
Lala, your original charge is child abuse, Lala. So if charges don't count in your situation, only convictions do, then how do they count in anyone else's? And again, my original charge as well as my amended are the exact same code.
And it shows it. Listen, look, I'm gonna put it right here with what she's showing. Hold on, let me turn this little fucking thing off. I'm gonna fucking show it. Where you can see the amended and the original.
Both fall under 18.2-3743.
18.2-3743. The original charge, the code section, and the amended code section. They're the same.
The only difference is subsection E is my conviction, which she already showed that too. So that means that I've not been convicted of any porn or sodomy or smex or anything else like
Thank
that.
you, Katie Boy Bubba.
The amended charge is what he pled to.
Just like yours. Your original was possession with the intent to sell or distribute with child abuse.
Let me reset.
Thank you, Katie Boy Mama. All right, let me see. Thank you, Rachel. Well, I'm not gonna watch it again. I won't be subpoenaing her. She ain't got nothing to do with none of it.
Bitch, I'm just gonna do a download or a FOIA request on that shit. Holy fuck.
She could be a
These people, like, they really gas themselves up for a courtroom. I don't know what their egos are gonna do, but that judge is gonna act like some DMT to their brain.
We're working on it, Janet, with no money. It is like a movie. It's crazy, though. It is crazy.
Like, who do these people think they are?
They are. When the truth comes out, he says.
Can we see it?
What you looking for? I know.
I'm gonna hop down so you could say your good nights.
What's your question, Mama 3? He is, Amy.
I sent my heartbeat investor, but it left. What do you mean?
I love your face. Would be cool to walk on the corner. Listen, I'm doing it for sure. Good night, Robin. Good night, Holly. Good night, Renee. Good night, Emily. Right, he does think he's God.
Oh my God, why are they asking this?
Good night, Nikki. Good night, little mama. Good night, Emily. Good night, Jelly. No, there is not a court date. A cease and desist was sent. That's the first step. Good night, 3 boys. Good night, Julie. Good night, Ash. Good night, Sonia. Good night, Jen. Good night, Rachel. Good night, Miss Placeit. Good night, Pumpkin. Good night, Ann. Good night, Beth. I will, Julie. Good night.
Look, and let's be real.
Good night, Nicole. Good night,
If you think that a suit will be filed within a day or two, it takes more time than that to make sure that you can get past the anti-slap laws and things like that that can get it thrown out. So that means every bit of evidence that is needed, including anything from Lawyer Investors Live that he has spoken about with it, anything from All Money's Live that has been spoken about with it, any correspondence that All Money has had with other people about it that I have, my documentation, all of that stuff will be filed, will be
he got a cease and desist
put down, will be time-stamped and in all correct orders, so it's easily navigatable for the courts to make sure that this case does not get thrown out on a technicality, as well as his threats and his attempt to bribe and extort someone and threaten them is all going to be documented as well to prove his bullshit and his malice. So don't expect it in a day or two. It'll take a little while. but it will happen. Texas law states that I have 1 year to
Good night,
file.
kitty boy mama. He's worried about the red on my chest, and he needs to be worried about why he ain't getting past nobody's labia.
He need to worry about that wart on the side of his nose.
Just saying.
You need to worry about explaining to his family once he gets through this lawsuit and loses why his ego is more important than them.
Clock that, because, listen, I don't feel like a whole lot was asked.
A public retraction?
Yeah.
To leave it up for 30 days, which means record yourself making that and post it, and then to write it back to me? That's all I asked for.
To fix the wrong.
To right the wrong. And
That's
instead, you chose your fucking ego over fucking anything else.
Good night, Miss Andrea.
You cannot move around your property. You cannot transfer it. You can't do all that shit. Go ahead and do it if you want to.
All right. I love y'all. I got to be up early in the morning because I do have a career. I don't sit on TikTok and beg for money all day like all these other folks that we're talking about. Good night, Cole. I love you guys. I hope y'all have a good hump day. Tomorrow's hump day. Getting closer to the weekend. Good night, Amy. Good night, Girly. Good night, Sierra. Good night, Jessica. Good night, Christy. I love y'all. I hope y'all have a great night.